In this video, I'll show you how to fix the PayPal permanent limitation problem fast. If your PayPal account has been permanently limited, it's important to understand that there's no automatic button or setting you can use to remove it on your own. When PayPal places a permanent limitation, the only real way to resolve it is by contacting PayPal directly and speaking with their support team. To do this properly, open a web browser and go to paypal.com. It's best to use a browser instead of the mobile app, because the website gives you more options and better access to support features. Log into your PayPal account, then scroll to the top of the page and click on Help. Once you're on the Help page, scroll down until you see the option for Message Center. Click on it, and from there, start a new conversation. This will allow you to chat directly with a PayPal customer support agent. In the message, clearly explain that your account is being permanently limited and that you need help resolving it. If you know the reason PayPal gave for the limitation, include that information as well. After you send the message, wait for a response from PayPal support. In many cases, they'll ask you to confirm your identity or provide additional documents, such as ID verification or business information. Make sure to respond promptly and upload exactly what they ask for, because delays can slow down the review process. It's also important to know that PayPal may hold funds in a permanently limited account for up to 180 days. This is a standard period related to dispute protection. However, speaking directly with customer support gives you the best chance of resolving the issue sooner, or at least getting clear instructions on what will happen with your account and funds. Because account limitations can sometimes be triggered by suspicious activity or unusual logins, protecting your online security is essential. Using a secure connection can help reduce future issues. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN risk-free at a great price.